Hey everyone, it's me, Elna from twinsmommy.com. And for today, I'm going to be doing a income and traffic monthly update of my niche sites. I'm not going to put in my Twins Mommy and my other well-known sites that I have because they are in the OG, I guess, Mediavine income tier, I guess. And these are with either Journey or another platform that I use. I'm going to show you which one that is and a little screenshot of what it looks like. All right, so my first niche site, which I have shared the name of this site in a previous video. So this was sort of my first venture after Twins Mommy, after doing my contributor blogs that I had, after doing Smart Mom Ideas. I was like, let me start like this niche site, because back then everyone was like, do affiliate marketing with niche sites and make tons of money and do affiliate marketing. So that's what I started with, SEO, affiliate marketing with this site. And I got it up to about 20,000 page views, 25,000 page views. But then Journey by Mediavine opened up. And so then I signed up, got accepted, and I found that it was much easier to make money that way. So this site started in 2022. I have about 273 blog posts that are published on this blog. The traffic for February was around 70,000 views or 48,000 sessions. I mean, the beginning of the year of the site does well. It doesn't do well that much in the summer, although I am finding topics that I can do in the summertime that will at least keep my traffic up to the 50,000 sort of benchmark that I have for this specific blog. So let's look at the income for February 2026. Right now it's at $1,400, so $1,446. Now this is just a snapshot of when I took this screenshot to the previous, so from Feb 10th to March 10th. So that's what I have for that. Let's look at the analytics. Right now, my impressions are going up, but the engagement and clicks and saves and the total audience are going down a bit, as well as my engaged audience. But I do not nitpick these analytics at all. I really don't even go into my analytics tab on Pinterest anymore because I'm just looking at Google Analytics is telling me instead. So even though I did a recent video of auditing my pin analytics and deep diving into Pinterest analytics, I was a bit surprised for sure what I saw, but I'm still not hooked on doing that. It takes a lot of time. So I just sort of, took the screenshot for you guys so you can see what's happening. So let's look at the plan for my niche website. I'm going to keep writing that trending content because, like I said, in the summer, I do have some specific topics that I've been writing for the past couple years, and it is keeping my traffic up. I'm going to create seasonal content as well. So summer content, fall content, things like that, which do well on this site. I'm going to investigate a new topic. Like I said, when traffic is a little bit low, maybe in not necessarily spring, but in between like spring and summer, there might be something that I can add a new type of content and see if it'll take off for the fall. I'm going to play around and see what that can be. And then I'm going to really work on user intent type of content. This is a little bit nuanced, and I do talk more about user intent content in two places. The first one is my 100K formula. It is an ebook. It is an easy way to find out how to create a content strategy for your own blog. So I suggest you pick this up, use it for this new year. It's very relevant. A lot of my blogs have hit 100K based on what I've been doing. And so this can help you. I'll put a link in the description below. And then the other one is my Pin and Win course. I have recently updated it for 2026. I have published several modules and videos about my new process that I'm doing for this mock blog that is actually taking off right now, and I'm leaving it on the table and I should be actually focusing on it. But anyways, that's besides the point. I do talk about user intent in a way of the topic when I talk about what topics to write about. So I do talk about it in this course, but mostly in my ebook when I talk about user intent. I do dive a little bit deeper on that when I have a page or two about it and what it looks like. So go ahead and pick up the 100K formula. Decide if this Pin and Win is going to work for you. It is a strategy that I'm using, so you can adapt that to your blogging strategy as well. And it's up to date, like I said. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this website. So the next niche website I started in 2024. I have 252 blog posts with that. Let's look at the traffic for February. It's 55,000 views. Okay, now when I show you my analytics for Google, I don't need to show you where this traffic comes from because the bulk of this traffic is Pinterest. It's only Pinterest or direct, from my email list, or if people know this site, then they go directly to it. But it's Pinterest. It's Pinterest only Pinterest. The income for this one, now I'm using Ezoic for this one. This was one of the sites that was delisted for, Journey by Mediavine, and that's okay. Now I have Ezoic. So I'm making about $530 a month, which is a little bit lower than what I was making with Journey by Mediavine, but I'm happy with what I'm getting for that. Let's look at the Pinterest analytics. Again, I don't really look at these numbers, but they're all down right now. And that's expected for this niche and what's happening right now. It'll take off probably in the spring and summer. So I'm not worried about that. So you can look at the outbound clicks here. So the plan for this website is, make sure that I'm up to date with Pin Generator. I do put my niche websites into Pin Generator, and I do have a video on creating pins and using Pin Generator for that process as well, and Canva too, I think. So make sure you can check out that video of where I deep dive into that. I'm going to try to create more consistent content. I do have a writer for a lot of these sites, but I am trying to pick up more for myself so that, my writer has other obligations, other clients and things like that. So I'm going to see if I can do this with my, like I said, with my Pin and Win new strategy, that perhaps I can get this going faster with all of my sites here. Trending content for sure, and seasonal content. That's sort of a plan that this site can have. I can create those types of content for this specific niche. Niche site number 3 started in 2024 as well. I have 101 blog posts. Let's look at the traffic for that one. That is 78,000 views. This is the site that I created a video with 10 million impressions, 200,000 views. That was a big viral hit, but I now know when that's going to hit. I now know when to create targeted content for that big boom. It's already happening right now, so I just need to capitalize on that to go up and more, because I believe summer is the high point for this niche. Analytics here, I have everything on the up and up, which is nice. So again, I just need to capitalize on this. So this breakdown is reminding me to now focus on this for this week. Focus on this site, Elna. Yes, focus on it. Income for this one is not that high. The RPMs for this niche is low. It's, I don't know, it's low. I have to really get a lot of traffic, which it can get a lot of traffic to get good income. So hopefully the RPMs will increase over the seasons here, and I can make more money because, last year when I put this onto Journey by Mediavine, I was making a good $1,000 plus with this site. So it's possible for sure. So I'm not worried about the low income. That's okay. The plan for this specific niche, I'm going to make sure like I said, I'm up to date with Pin Generator. I'm going to capitalize on that summer viral traffic, like I mentioned, and I'm going to start front loading that content. So, right now I was really capitalizing on spring this and seasonal for spring that. But now, I'm going to forget that. I'm just going to do summer stuff. I need to really focus on summer. So let's see if that will work for this plan to get that viral traffic. So Niche Site 4 started in 2024. It was monetized but banned in 2026. I recently did a video of Pinterest banning that account. So this is the site. I transferred all the content to a new URL. So this is, new traffic basically. So this is what it looks like. I'm using a different analytics for this one, but I'm getting, in a month, that's what I'm getting, which is fine. I'm not really focusing on this too much. I'm just trying to establish my Pinterest account. So the plan for this site is to be more consistent with that manual pinning, which I'm not. I really need to get more consistent with that. My Pinterest account is personal, and I'm not going to turn it into a business account yet or at all. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this. If it pops off with a personal account that I can just pin those pins to my, my boards, and people can just click on them, then maybe that can work. I don't know. Sometimes I think maybe a business account slots it in differently on Pinterest. So I'm just playing around with that and see maybe a personal account would work for this specific niche. It is not a popular niche on Pinterest. I mean, it is, but it's bottom of the popular of if there's 10 popular niches, it's number 10, basically. I need to start writing posts. I haven't written any content because I'm still trying to move all the content, the old content from my old banned account to this new site. And then, maybe I'm going to really focus this for next year because I think it'll do well in the beginning of the year. Like my first niche site, I think it sort of has that stamp of journey of where the traffic comes from. And I think the beginning of the year it can really pick up for this specific site. And maybe in the fall, if I can be more nuanced, maybe I can find some content for that. Now, this is a recent blog I started in 2025. So, just recently. It has 286 blog posts. The traffic for February 2026 is 48,000. Now Now, I haven't put this into a monetization platform yet. I am waiting. I'm trying new things for this specific site. Just because, I've been hearing a lot of bloggers saying that they can't get into ad platforms right now, all that stuff. So I'm just waiting it out. I'm maybe trying a different ad platform that's not as popular. We'll see. I just want to build this blog authentically, I think, and I have been. So you can see here, my plan for this site is I'm going to start posting on X. I started a YouTube channel for this site with shorts, which reminds me I need to keep pumping out those shorts. I have a newsletter, but I haven't been writing newsletters yet, so I need to see how many subscribers I have. And I'm going to work on making this more legit for monetization. And when I say legit, like it's a real blog. Like I have my picture there. Like it's my site. Yes, am I using AI? Well, I have a plan in Pinninwin that you can see what I'm using and how I'm using it. And I also have a writer for this site. So I am trying to make it more authentic. The blog posts that I've written can be personal. I do share personal stories about my family and all that stuff. So I'm working on that to make it more like a Good Twins Mommy account kind of thing. But it's not that niche. It's not like a twins mommy niche or a parenting niche kind of thing. So that is my plan. And then I didn't show you the mock website that I have that I am using for the Pinninwin. But when I started that account, like revived it, I think my traffic was like, my views were about 1,500. So let me just take a screenshot and show you what it is now. So it looks like it is at, wow, 20,000 views. That went up fast. I did not expect that. I have only been working on this for a little bit, so it is actually taking off. So, good news, if you have an old blog that you haven't really been pinning on, you can just revive it with content and pin it and see what happens. Like it's on Pin Generator and I'm only pinning like a low amount. Like I don't even know if it's 10 pins a day. So again, if you want to try a low pinning amount, because again, I'm not paying attention to this site, so I want it to last months and months and months. That's why I'm only pinning a low amount. This for this site and this niche could work for that amount of pinning per day. I did not tell you how much I was pinning for these other sites, but I am high pinning. Like I'm not doing 100 pins a day or anything, but I am pinning a high number that I have alluded to in previous videos. I have a video of how many pins you should be pinning. I think I laid that out there. But yeah, so my manual pinning is, I don't know, 5 pins every 2 weeks. Like I'm barely doing anything for the manual one. But my ones that are getting like 70,000 page views, 50,000, like I'm pinning a good amount of pins because this niche needs it. Now, I could, play around with it. Like, let me drop it down to 10 pins a day and see, maybe that will work. Maybe it'll jump it up to 100,000 page views. I don't know. I'm kind of afraid, like I'm on this train, on this fast moving train, and I don't want to jump off of it, right? I don't want to jump off and all that. I could abandon this site, let it sit there for 6 months and then maybe start again. But like I said, I need to capitalize on this specific site that I'm showing you right now. Summer is a good thing, so I need to capitalize on this specific blog. Maybe for some other sites that I haven't shown here, like dormant sites, maybe I can try that like I did for my mock blog. So we'll see. All of that is happening at the moment for 2026. Like I said, I am making a good, healthy income for Twins Mommy through MediaMind and my other sites too. So is it 10,000 a month? Not right now, but I have reached 10,000 a month multiple times throughout the year. So I'm happy with that. And my husband is also creating content on other sites too. So he has his little batch of sites that are making money. So things are successful. If you're interested in starting a blog, go ahead and go to twinsmommy.com. I have a start a blog WordPress that I updated for 2026. Get a hold of that, learn how to sign up to hosting, get a basic theme, and start your categories, your pages, all that to start a blog. All right. Anyways, go ahead and post your questions below, like this video, and make sure to check out the other videos that I've mentioned and the ebooks and course that I have. Thank you so much.